Good afternoon, students. Shubha Vijay, all of you. Today, I am going to discuss about HTML. Nowadays, you know very well, Internet is one of the very much popular option for various searches or other utilization. HTML basically used to create web pages. Before I starting or explain anything regarding HTML, you just understand first of all what is www. www is an interconnection of web pages. Then what is web page? Web page is a single page which is display or find out the information about the particular topic. And what is website? Website is a collection of web pages. Now, then what is www? www is a connected of or interconnection of website. Basically, whatever or whenever you try to create web page, need a platform. HTML is a very much good platform for creating web page. Now, what is HTML? HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. Basically, it is a script used to create web pages or display the information which is provided by the user or other informer to capitalize all the information in one place. In HTML, we can find two text editors. One is Notepad, other is WordPad. One is Notepad, another is WordPad. Basically, Notepad or WordPad is used to create web pages, or we can write all the script in this text editor. How to open Notepad? Just click on Start, All Programs, click on Accessories, and you can find out Notepad. After that Notepad, you can find out this type of display over here. See, these are first of formation of example of web pages. Web pages going with four basic part. Number one is HTML. HTML going with two options. This one as a tags. In HTML, we can use tag. In between tags, just see there is two angular bracket. Is closed with one HTML. Just see, HTML is the first formation part of the HTML page. When you try to create a web page, we are going with HTML. First you write HTML, then write title. Title is the next part of the HTML which is show the title in the title bar. This is the title name is first web page. After that, you must close the tag with this slash. This is a closing tag. So tags are two types. One is opening tag, this is opening tag, and this is a closing tag. You must close the tag with slash. After that, we are going with the body. This is the main part of the HTML. Whatever, whenever you try to display anything in the web page, you must write all this in between body tag. After that, you can write some information text over there, and you must close all this tag between closing tag. Just see first HTML, then you can write title, which is display the title in the title bar. Next is body, which is a main part of the HTML, which is display all this necessary information in the web page. After completing your web page, you must close the tag with slash. This is slash means this is a closing tag. After that, just how to save the file. Click on save, and you can find out the file option and click on save again and save as. A dialog box will appear. Write the file name. You must understand one thing. Whenever you try to save a file, you must give in the extension of HTML. What is the extension of HTML? Is that .html or .html. These are both are the same part. Whatever, if you want to save a file, you must write the file name, then write the extension of the file HTML. It means .html. Suppose if you are given the file name is ABC, just see I'm going with the name ABC, abc.html or .html. Again, I am explaining everything in short. First of all, whenever you try to create a web page, you must understand what is the necessary options is used in HTML. Because of that, HTML is the main part which is used to create web pages. www is one of the important part in HTML which is interconnected with web pages. Then what is website? Website is a collection of web pages. What is web page? Web page is a single information page which is displayed under the website. And what is web server? These are optional. These maybe if you want to store all this information in one place, we can use web server. Another option is number 6 is web browser. Web browser is a software which is used to display all these website and web pages. This is a software. Some example of web browser is Internet Explorer, you know very well. Internet Explorer, Mozilla, and so on. These all are web browser which is display the website. And after that, if you want to create web page, you can use HTML. This is a script language which is used to create web pages. And if you want to create web pages, must need text editor. Notepad is a very much popular text editor which is used to create web pages, and also WordPad. How to open Notepad? You just see, click on Start, click on Programs, Accessories, and you can find out Notepad. After that Notepad, we can write this example of one web pages. Just see, first we are going with HTML. These known as an opening tag and tag between Angular bracket. Next is title. Title shows the title in the title bar. After that, you must close the tags with slash. There is a slash. It means this part is not going to the next part. That's why this is a closing part. After that, body is the main part of HTML, which is very much important for us because of that body is used to display all the necessary information in the web page. Thank you for today.